Daddy. Say get my hair cut. Miss you. See you soon. Oh, there's Ethan and Danny. Wow, you're doing so good. Look at the camera. Look down here. You want to look at yourself? See, I'm just so handsome. I can't help staring at myself. What do you have to say for your very first haircut? Look at Mama. Ethan. Oh, is that what you have to say? Say hi, Daddy. What are you gonna touch, baby? Can I eat the chair? I'd like to eat the chair.
Ethan, first haircut.
You're just combing your hair.
It tickles. It tickles.
Tickles a little bit, huh?
Yeah, he's a wiggler. Oh, sorry. Mommy's holding your hands. Say cheese.
You're doing a very good job.
Hi. So curious.
Are you proud, Mom?
Oh, I'm so proud of my baby. It's 10.5 months, going on a plane tomorrow.
Ooh, what do you think about
Second
that?
time.
Where are we going tomorrow?
Jersey.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's the second time we're leaving.
Yeah. We just moved
Almost
here.
done,
Oops.
so.
Okay. Oh, why you get upset?